Good evening everyone, my name is Nicholas and today for you I will prepare a Kaffir lamb brulee. So for the first step of this dish, we will do a fruit salad with local products. So this time, local fruits. So in this dish we have some melon, some dragon fruits, some kiwis, just from local grow. So I will start to dice my fruits in little cube, we call this in brunoise in France, and to put on my little container. Also we cut this kiwi. We peel it first, of course, and we dice. The same, we try to have the same cube or in our fruits. We take out the heart of the kiwi and make some little cube. After the kiwi, it's time to take the beautiful fruit that is a beautiful dragon fruit. So we make some rondelle of dragon fruit. Very important to take out the peel. And after the same from the other fruit, we dice them into a little cube. So now I finish with my fruit, so it's time to attack the brulee. So now I'm put gentle the fruit salad on the plate, and now it's time to the Kaffir lamb brulee. So I put a little bit of castor sugar on the top, and with my torch, I will torch the sugar. Be careful to the caramel to don't follow in your finger and your hand. So I turn very gentle the sugar for have a nice color, a nice crack when you will put your spoon. Let's put some beautiful coulis, Davidson plum coulis, very Australian, very powerful in mouth. A little bit of mango coulis, of course local. We try to use all time the more local product that we can afford. And some little flour. Make some collage on our dish. We finish with the beautiful homemade coconut sorbet. And for a bit of touch of crack, let's do with our pistachio. Enjoy! Bon appétit!